Welcome to Michongo, the #1 deals website in Tanzania. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how you can add yourself as a service provider. We call them merchant. As a merchant, you'll be able to add your products or deals from the front end. So let's get started. To get started by adding yourself as a merchant is very easy. You just go to the merchant menu and you click merchant registration. After clicking merchant registration, this form will come out. Remember, this form with all the fields marked with a star, they are important. You cannot proceed the next steps if all these fields which mark the star are not completed. So let's get started to fill one by another. The business name, this is where you have to fill your business name. For example, our company called Dudumizi. So we call here, or we write here, Dudumizi Technologies. Dudumizi Technologies. Yeah. After finishing the company name, this is a business category. The business category, because like on the Michongo, you'll be adding products. So all this product belongs to category. For example, this is FastJet. FastJet belongs to the airline or ticketing. This is a book or stationery. So this can depend or can belong on the e-commerce, can belong on the services, wherever you find yourself useful to your company. So for example, for we Dudumizi, we are adding ourselves in the services category. After adding service category, this is email. We prefer you write the business email, the email whereby customer they can find you through that email. Why business email? Because business email give customer the trust. If you don't have one, you can contact dudumizi.com. They'll help you to create your email. So I write my email. For example, here I can write like mnyoni@dudumizi.com. But because this is a business email, I prefer to write info. So let's go with info. After finishing the business email, this is the telephone. Again, don't put your telephone. Just put the business phone. This is a phone which will be displayed on the public. So we hope that this phone, everyone can call this phone. That's why I call public, not a private phone. So I just put my phone here. For example, our company phone is 0768 816728. Then like this is finished. Here is the first name. What the first name? The person who will be in charge of controlling or managing Michongos. Oh, we call it deals. So here I write, for example, there is Beatrice Mbombo. This is our representative for Dudumizi managing our Michongo. And this is the last name is Mbombo. After finishing the first and last name, this is a location. We know that some of the providers, they are not in Tanzania. And you can see even in Tanzania, there are some cities which are not here. For example, I'm in Morogoro, so I could prefer to choose others. And I'm not in Tanzania, so I could choose outside Tanzania. And this is a business address, but me, I'm Dar es Salaam, then I just choose Dar es Salaam. This is the business address. The business address, for example, I'm here at Shamo Park House. Shamo Park House at Mbezi Beach. Mbezi Beach. Remember, when you're writing the address here, should be the address whereby people can reach you easily. Let's take an example. What kind of address we prefer? By example, we open this one in Michongo. And you will see what the exact address we mean here. And this is just the captcha for the security purpose. We can write like here QQKE. And lastly here, we will choose our company logo. We can find the logo of our company. PNG, JPG, it's all allowed. And here you have to accept terms on the condition before you can register as a Michongo merchant. You can see this is the address. So the address is very clear. Even on the map, it can be seen. It can be located from the map. That's why here the address will be very clear. And after everything, you have to click register now. By clicking register now means you have accepted the terms and condition for the merchant registration. After that, it's very easy. Take it just through very step. Sometimes this happens, and if you see that this error, don't start complaining. Just come this one, the one you wrote, the captcha you wrote was not correct. So I just repeat again TDDK, and then I continue by clicking register now. If this one is correct again, then the register now will work and I will proceed to the next step. Yes, yeah, this is the next step. This means the registration part of the Macan is finished. If the registration part of the Macan has been finished, this means the email will be sent to the Dudumis or to the Michongo administrators. And then, after the approve of your Macan registration, you will get the email or SMS, which will give you the username and the password whereby you can add your Michongo. See you on the next video on how you can add Michongo on Michongo platform.